Hey guys, let's see how to deliver and do the payment of a particular sale order. Moving on to the new button to create the quotation because I'm going to start from the scratch itself. Specifying with the customer name, adding the product that we need. So I'm just going to add large meeting table and I want to add the quantity which is in 2. There you can see this is the total amount. Once we are done with that, let's confirm this quotation into a sale order. And there we need to create an invoice, creating a regular invoice. Once we are done with that, now you can see after confirming the invoice, we need to deliver the item that we are invoiced. Moving back to the sale order, so now you can see there we have an option which is there on the smart button. There we created invoice. After onwards, we deliver the product by clicking on this particular option. This is the delivery information, the delivery address, what is the operation type, like this is a delivery order. You can see the source location from where we are taken our product. And there you can see the schedule date, the deadline, is that product is available in our inventory or not. You can see this is the source document. And under the operations, you can see this is the large meeting table, which means the product information. It is in available stage. So now you can see that's in green color. And if this product have any kind of packages, you can also find that from here itself. This is the demanded quantity from the customer. This is the quantity that we are going to give. And this is the unit and measures. If you want to see the details by clicking on this option, you can simply see all the details, like if you want to add any kind of lot and serial number or something like that from the details, for adding the details itself, you can see. Okay, once we are done with that, we can simply validate this by clicking on this option, and there you will get a message like this. If you want to provide any kind of SMS to your customer or not, I'm disabling this, and after onwards you can see our delivery is validated. Okay, so that's how simply you can do the delivery. Once we are done with that, now let's do the payment of the product that we invoiced and delivered. By clicking on the pay option on the top of the session, there you can see this is the wizard that's open. This is the journal that we are using, and this is the payment method, which is in a manual payment, and this is amount of this particular invoice. This is the payment date and the memo. Once we are done with that, let's create the payment. Okay, so after onwards, you can see it is in paid stage. So that's all about this video, to create the delivery and after onwards to do the payment. So that's it. Bye bye.